Latest news: world champion Marc overcame a sixth-place grid penalty and took advantage of Italian great Valentino late crash to win the Malaysian MotoGP on Sunday. Rossi led from early in the race but crashed with 4 laps to go at the Sepang circuit to give Marc a clear run to the finish for his ninth win of the season and 70 of his career, and gave the Honda team an unaccessible sorry unassailable lead in constructor championship. Marc, who claimed his fifth world championship in Japan 2 weeks ago, was demoted from pole position to seventh on the grid for impending Suzuki's Andre in Saturday qualifying, but that didn't hinder him for long as he quickly moved through the field to put pressure on Rossi and eventually forced the Italian into an error. He was pushing hard and starting to catch Rally, but when he saw his mistake, then he cooled down and just finished the race. It was the best way to celebrate the championship. Alex Rins finished second for Suzuki ahead of Yamaha pole sitter Johan Zarco, with Rossi's team mate Maverick Vinales, who gave Yamaha a first win of the season in Australia last week. A credible fourth after starting 11th on the grid. Italian Andrew was sixth behind Honda's Danny Pedrosa to ensure he will finish second in the championship ahead of Rossi, who crossed the line in 18th. It is great. I am very disappointed for the mistake, admitted a crestfallen Rossi who has not won a race this season. And he also said that he is frustrating.